I think you got to stay off the trail. Oh yeah. Oh, you're not the only one so far. Hey, hey, you broke through, baby.
I caught a little air.
Oh, this is soft right here. Where's your head? Okay. All right. Come on, girls. Make up your mind. I'm the only one who did that. Nice, Jen, nice. Woohoo! Whoa!
I had to step right in the hole.
Ay, 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 ay. Oh, good.
I can't swim sitting there every time.
I'm good.
My foot.
Lake Larry. Surprised Jamie didn't try to cross one of the logs. We are a clumsy bunch. Now, was that sweet or what?
That was nice. You gotta remember that spot right
Yeah,
there.
that's an easy one. Yeah, well, we'll just ride across that thing.
We'll probably drop it right where we have to cross.
Yeah,
Keep hoping to do that.
that's amazing. Golden shower for Jamie. Sorry about that, man. My brakes, I did nothing.
You don't get a woohoo for that one.
Yeah, I did. My boot got stuck on my spoiler and I just... Okay? Ouch.
It's frozen here.
Yeah?
Soft. Nothing was frozen and my back end just slid right out. A little wet, but I think that,
Yeah, both mine are, my feet are both wet.
yeah, this one's totally dry. This one's a little damp. I don't know why. Maybe I might have ripped the bag.
Yeah.
But it
Good
makes all
old, good old blood there, it's good. There's a lot of
Oh.
slappers and stuff
I know,
today.
I need a nosedive to the woods.
Yeah, you think you do.
Oh man, I tell you, I took so many crabs. That last one I hurt my head again. I got another headache.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's tough.
I hit hard that last one. But I tweaked up my shoulders. Right in between my two shoulders, I can feel it. I hit that thing hard.
Yeah. Well, you're cranking. You guys are like flying through this
I
stuff.
thought I had it, because I started to slide and it's like, "Wah," and it just didn't hook up. I just kept sliding, and then my front end started to wash, and then when I had to kind of stand it up, and then when I stood it up, I clipped that tree, and
Ouch.
it was all downhill from there.
Yeah, I think we all took a few taps today.
Yeah, no kidding. Those boots unbuckled again. My back's gonna be sore. Yeah. You want to go to work or something, go home and get in a bath. I took a beating.
Yeah.
That was awesome. I knew I didn't have my kidney belt. I was wishing I had it.
That was really good winter riding though.
That was the best.
And we nailed it timing wise.
Yeah.
We got real
'Cause
lucky.
we coming back, you could see where we rode in the
It was
morning.
bad of coming to my house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you
Yeah.
could see where we rode in the morning, we were totally on top, and then like you could see your track where you were already cutting down about this far. And, you know,